Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to calibrate your Maytag washer. Okay, so we're calibrating your Maytag washer. What is important to know that calibration ensures your washer runs smoothly by aligning the sensors and the motor components. This quick guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your machine back to optimal performance. First of all, prepare your washer. So start with the washer completely off and empty. This means no laundry inside. This ensures accurate sensor readings during the calibration. Enter your calibration mode. So press and hold the start pause button while turning the cycle selector knob to the calibration setting. Release when the display shows cal. Number 3. Let it run. The washer will automatically run tests, rotating the drum clockwise and then anti-clockwise to calibrate sensors and motor alignment. You'll have to just wait for this to complete. So, thereafter, you will then need to verify it's been successful. So, once the cycle completes and the washer unlocks, you need to calibrate. Your calibration is now complete. Your Maytag is now ready for optimal performance. And here are some troubleshooting failed calibrations. So, first of all, check all control board connections are secure. Ensure that there are no error codes displayed on the screen. Clean your sensor contacts and inspect wiring for any damage. Unplug your washer for about 5 to 10 minutes and then retry your process.